Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Hub. In 2022, Honda introduced the fourth generation of the Passport, internally coded YG2, a rugged, capable, and thoroughly modern midsize SUV designed for drivers who wanted adventure without sacrificing refinement. Built for a growing market of active families and outdoor enthusiasts, the fourth-gen Passport arrived with stronger off-road capability, improved technology, and bolder styling that reflected its confident personality. Positioned between the CR-V and Pilot, the Passport continued to serve as Honda's dedicated adventurous utility vehicle, blending comfort with the freedom to explore. At first glance, the 2022 Passport stood out with its assertive, truck-inspired design. Honda gave it a more squared-off front end, a larger grille, and more pronounced fender arches that emphasized strength and durability. The refreshed exterior, with its wider stance and muscular proportions, projected a sense of readiness, an SUV built not just for pavement but for dirt, gravel, and challenging terrain. Its short front and rear overhangs further improved capability, while available roof rails and accessories hinted at its intended lifestyle. Underneath its bold exterior, the Passport YG2 was powered by Honda's well-known 3.5-liter V6 engine. Producing around 280 horsepower and paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, the engine provided smooth acceleration and a strong, confident feel in daily driving. Whether climbing steep hills or merging into fast-moving highway traffic, the V6 delivered responsive performance. The Passport's available all-wheel drive system, Honda's advanced iVTM4 torque vectoring AWD, brought significant driving benefits, providing added stability on slippery surfaces and enhanced handling during cornering. This system allowed the Passport to distribute torque intelligently, making it more capable on off-road trails compared to many rivals in its class. For adventure-focused buyers, Honda introduced the TrailSport trim, an identity that made the Passport's rugged intentions even more clear. TrailSport models received unique styling elements, wider tracks, more aggressive tires, and enhanced off-road tuning. Honda equipped it with increased ground clearance and skid plate protection, making it more durable in rough environments. While not a full rock crawler, the TrailSport was designed to confidently handle muddy paths, snowy roads, and uneven terrain, ideal for weekend explorers looking to travel beyond the pavement. Stepping inside, the fourth-gen Passport featured a spacious, upscale cabin with thoughtful design. Built on Honda's dedication to practicality, the interior provided comfortable seating for 5, with generous legroom and wide, supportive seats that made long journeys pleasant. The dashboard showcased Honda's clean, easy-to-read layout, featuring an 8-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and available navigation. Premium trims added leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seating, a power moonroof, wireless charging, and a premium audio system that enhanced the driving experience. One of the Passport's key strengths was its cargo versatility. With one of the largest cargo areas in its class, the YG2 offered exceptional storage space behind the rear seats, and even more when they were folded flat. Honda's hidden storage compartments beneath the cargo floor provided secure spaces for tools, camping gear, and valuable items, making the Passport a natural fit for road trips, outdoor adventures, and family travel. Whether hauling sports equipment or luggage for a long vacation, the Passport delivered impressive utility. Safety was also a priority. The 2022 Passport came standard with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced safety and driver assist technologies. Features like adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition helped provide added security and confidence behind the wheel. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and front and rear parking sensors enhanced awareness, particularly in tight parking lots or busy urban environments. These systems worked seamlessly to reduce driver stress and improve everyday usability. On the road, the Passport delivered a well-balanced driving experience. Built on Honda's light truck platform, it offered a stable, comfortable ride with predictable handling. Its suspension tuning prioritized comfort, absorbing bumps and road imperfections with ease. Despite its rugged appearance, the Passport maintained a refined manner on highways, making it ideal for long-distance travel. At the same time, its shorter wheelbase compared to the Pilot gave it a more nimble feel, especially on winding roads or uneven terrain. The fourth-gen Passport also positioned itself as a reliable choice in a segment filled with diverse competitors. Owners appreciated its strong V6 engine, low maintenance requirements, and Honda's reputation for long-term dependability. It became a popular option for buyers who needed something larger than a compact SUV but didn't require the third row found in the Pilot. The Passport's combination of rugged styling, utility, and comfort set it apart, giving drivers the confidence to take on both daily commutes and spontaneous adventures. Beyond its features and performance, the 2022 Passport represented Honda's evolving commitment to an active lifestyle audience. The SUV market was shifting rapidly, and customers wanted vehicles that could do more than simply transport families. They wanted capability, technology, and personality. The Passport met those expectations by offering a blend of ruggedness and refinement that aligned with modern outdoor trends. It was designed not just as a people mover, but as a partner for adventure. With its powerful V6 engine, advanced AWD system, spacious interior, and adventure-ready trims like the TrailSport, it delivered a well-rounded experience that appealed to a wide range of lifestyles. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep driving toward the future.